Right, so we are here at a football pitch. A project that should be simple. Rebuilding the grass on a football pitch, basically. But no, it's not simple. It's more complicated. I love this video because it shows that something like relaying the turf for a football pitch is not simple. There's a lot of activities involved. So, as you can see in the video now, they are digging up the pitch. They'll be digging down, I imagine, about half a meter, maybe more. And football pitches, what do they revolve around? They revolve around drainage and irrigation systems. And they probably are renovating it because they were probably getting a waterlogged pitch. All the drainage that runs more than half a meter under the grass is probably clogged up. So it's probably a much needed project. So you can see lorries coming in, taking the muck away, digging everything out. Right, and as I said, everything on these sports pitches revolves around two things: drainage and irrigation. What you'll start to see now is that they are digging out all of the lines for the drainage. So on the width of the pitch, deeper, wider drainage, and then the length of the pitch will be narrower drainage that feeds into the deeper drainage running down the width of the pitch. This is what gives you that lovely playing surface, Ollie Watkins running in, scoring goals, etc. Okay, that's the irrigation system going in now. You like blink and you'll miss it. I like rewind and you'll see those 4 lines going in were the irrigation system. You'll see the water coming out of those later. Now it's going in, there's the underfloor heating system. It's the UK, it's cold. They don't want, when it's frosty, they want to warm the surface of the pitch so that they can play on it still. And then they put sand down. Sand is good because, again, drainage, the water goes through the sand and runs into the drainage system. And they need some topsoil because the grass needs to put its roots into the topsoil. But again, they want to mix it with some more sand so that the drainage properties are better. So they mix the topsoil with the sand. And then we will be on to the, well, you can see the irrigation system there in the middle with the water going everywhere. And finally, onto the turfing. So, laying out turf, I mean, they're just rolling out the turf in these little huts. I have no idea why they're in these huts. Maybe to avoid the sunburn. Who knows? I'm sure there's a good reason why they're in these little huts, but basically rolling out the turf over the whole pitch. You can grass seed pitch. There's another video online for Lincoln City's football pitch where they seed the whole pitch, which is much, much cheaper, but this is Aston Villa, so they're going for quality. Right, and then here we have the fun bit, making it look nice. The groundsman can come in, start mowing in different directions. That's why you get these nice lines on the pitch. It's not any pigment or coloration, it's literally just mowing in one direction then the other direction. That's what forms these lines, and then the white lining on the pitch, put the goals in, and you have there your perfect pitch. Audience can come in, sit down, enjoy. Ciao.